After having been at the helm of affairs for last 15 years in Assam, Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi's fate hangs by a rope as pollsters predict a victory for BJP. So will it be an end to Gogoi's juggernaut in Assam?
Four times MLA and three-time Chief Minister, Tarun Gogoi has led an unbeaten 15-year period as the Chief Minister of Assam. But numbers not stacking too well in his favour this year, as exit polls predict a landslide victory for the Bharatiya Janata Party.
You're known to be the person who is an expert at putting numbers together. You have managed to even get people from the BJP to defect against the BJP when you were in the Congress. So the Congress will be scared of you. The AUDF will be scared of you. Only your own allies will probably not be scared of you. Are you going to be able to put together a government if you're just about short of the halfway mark? Himanta.
No, Arnab, this election is completely different. BJP plus will get around 80 seats, and there is no doubt in that.
But the incumbent Chief Minister still hopeful.
Everybody thought we are going to be defeated. We would never come back to power, even first election, second, even third also. So that's why they go make their assessment on their own. We make their own assessment on our own. And I have a full trust and confidence in our own people of Assam.
Gogoi also having to face a tough fight from BJP leader Kamakhya Prasad Taha on his home turf. An election that saw feverish campaigning.
इस बार आसाम के लोगों ने भारतीय जनता पार्टी और हमारे गठबंधन को दिल खोल करके देने का निर्णय किया है और कांग्रेस का चुन चुन करके साफ करने का निर्णय किया। अपने बेटे बेटियों के सिवाय इनको देश की परवाह नहीं है। भाइयों बहनों में आया हूं मेरे देश के बेटे बेटियों का भला करने के लिए।
आज मोदी आ रहा है, एक दफे, दो दफे, तीन दफे। देखिए ये तो सीजनल बात जो होते हैं वही से अभी इलेक्शन के पहले सबको याद करते।
And as dust settles down, will today's results ring down the curtain on Gogoi's run as the Chief Minister? Bureau Report, Times Now.